In the competitive world of real estate, captivating visuals are non-negotiable. The first impression a potential buyer gets from a property often comes from the images they see online. These visuals can make or break a sale, and that's why it's crucial to go beyond traditional methods. Traditional photography, while essential, often falls short of truly showcasing a property's full potential. Ground-level shots can only capture so much, often missing out on the property's scale, surroundings, and unique features that make it stand out. This is where drone photography takes center stage, offering a fresh and dynamic perspective that captivates potential buyers. With the ability to soar above and around a property, drones can capture angles and views that are simply impossible from the ground. Imagine soaring above a sprawling estate, capturing its grandeur and showcasing its expansive grounds. The aerial view can highlight the property's layout, landscaping, and even its architectural beauty in a way that ground-level shots can't. Picture effortlessly highlighting a property's proximity to desirable amenities like parks, waterfronts, or golf courses. These are key selling points that can significantly increase a property's appeal and value. Drone photography transcends the limitations of ground-level perspectives, providing breathtaking aerial views that showcase a property's true essence. It allows potential buyers to see the full scope of what they're investing in, from the layout of the land to the surrounding environment. This innovative approach allows potential buyers to visualize themselves in the space, fostering an emotional connection that traditional methods often miss. When buyers can see a property from all angles, they can better imagine themselves living there, which is a powerful motivator in the decision-making process. By offering a comprehensive and immersive viewing experience, drone photography empowers sellers to elevate their listings, attracting a wider audience and potentially commanding higher prices. The more engaging and detailed the visuals, the more likely a property is to stand out in a crowded market. In today's digital age, where first impressions are formed online, stunning visuals are paramount. High-quality drone footage can make a listing more attractive and memorable, increasing the chances of catching a potential buyer's eye. Drone photography empowers real estate professionals to showcase properties in their best light, literally. By capturing the best features from above, drones can highlight unique selling points that might otherwise go unnoticed. By embracing this transformative technology, you gain a competitive edge, captivating potential buyers and setting your listings apart in a crowded market. The ability to offer something unique and visually stunning can be the difference between a quick sale and a property that lingers on the market. Whether it's a modern mansion, a traditional home, or a property surrounded by nature, drone photography can adapt to any setting, providing versatile and impactful visuals. This adaptability makes it an invaluable tool for real estate professionals looking to enhance their marketing strategies. Imagine capturing a property at sunset with the golden light casting a warm glow over the landscape. These dramatic and appealing visuals can evoke emotions and create a lasting impression, making the property even more desirable. Additionally, drone photography can showcase a property's year-round appeal by capturing it during different seasons. Whether it's the vibrant colors of autumn, the serene, snow-covered landscape of winter, or the lush greenery of spring and summer, these visuals can highlight the property's beauty throughout the year. For properties with potential for development, drone footage can highlight the possibilities, giving buyers a clear vision of what could be. This can be particularly appealing for investors looking for opportunities to expand or enhance a property. Unique features such as a private beach or vineyard can be showcased in all their glory with drone photography. These features can be major selling points, and capturing them from the air can make them even more impressive. Finally, drone footage can capture a property at night, showcasing its lighting and ambiance. This can add another layer of appeal, highlighting how the property looks and feels after dark, which can be a significant factor for potential buyers. Investing in the right equipment is crucial for capturing professional-grade real estate drone photography. While the market offers a plethora of options, selecting a drone with specific features tailored to real estate needs is essential. A high-quality camera is paramount as it directly impacts the resolution and clarity of your images. Look for a drone with a camera capable of shooting at least 20 megapixels and recording video in 4K resolution. This ensures sharp, detailed images suitable for both online listings and printed marketing materials. Equally important is the drone's stability and flight control system. Opt for a model with advanced stabilization features like a 3-axis gimbal, which keeps the camera steady even during windy conditions, resulting in smooth, cinematic footage. Consider the drone's battery life as well. A drone with a flight time of at least 20 minutes allows you to capture ample footage without frequent battery swaps. Before launching your drone, meticulous planning is essential for a successful photo shoot. Begin by scouting the location, familiarizing yourself with the property's layout, surroundings, and any potential obstacles. Identify key selling points such as a beautifully landscaped garden, a spacious deck, or stunning views. These are the areas you'll want to highlight in your aerial shots. Next, consider the time of day and weather conditions. The golden hours, shortly after sunrise and before sunset, offer soft, warm light that enhances the beauty of your shots. Overcast days provide diffused lighting, which can be ideal for minimizing harsh shadows. Avoid shooting in strong winds, as they can affect drone stability and image sharpness. Once you've scouted the location and determined the optimal shooting conditions, plan your flight path carefully. Section 4. Golden Hour Magic. Harnessing the power of light in drone photography. Light is the paintbrush of photography, and in drone photography, it plays a pivotal role in creating captivating imagery. The way light interacts with the environment can dramatically alter the mood and feel of a photograph. By understanding and harnessing the power of light, drone photographers can elevate their work to new heights. The golden hours, the hour after sunrise and the hour before sunset, bathe landscapes in a warm, ethereal glow that transforms ordinary scenes into magical moments. This time of day is cherished by photographers for its unique ability to create a soft, diffused light that enhances the natural beauty of the scene. The golden hues add a touch of magic, making everything look more vibrant and alive. During these times, the sun's low angle casts long, soft shadows, adding depth and dimension to your photographs. These shadows can create interesting patterns and textures, giving your images a three-dimensional quality. The interplay of light and shadow can turn a simple scene into a work of art, highlighting the contours and features of the landscape. Golden hour light is particularly flattering for real estate photography, as it enhances textures, brings out the vibrancy of colors, and creates an inviting ambiance. The warm light can make a property look more appealing, highlighting its best features and creating a welcoming atmosphere. This is especially important in real estate, where first impressions are crucial. Early morning shoots often benefit from a clear, crisp atmosphere, while sunsets offer a palette of warm hues that evoke a sense of tranquility and serenity. The morning light is often cooler and more subdued, providing a different but equally beautiful effect. In contrast, the evening light is rich and warm, creating a sense of calm and relaxation. Both times of day offer unique opportunities for stunning photography. To maximize the beauty of golden hour light, consider the direction of the sun and its impact on your composition. The angle of the light can dramatically change the look of your photos, so it's important to plan your shots accordingly. Positioning the drone to take advantage of the light can help you capture the best possible images. Position the drone to capture the warm glow illuminating the property's facade, casting long shadows that add drama and intrigue. The way the light falls on the building can highlight its architectural features and create a sense of depth. Experimenting with different angles can help you find the most striking compositions. Experiment with different angles and perspectives, allowing the golden light to paint your aerial masterpieces. By moving the drone around and trying out various viewpoints, you can discover new and exciting ways to showcase the beauty of the scene. The golden hour offers endless possibilities for creativity, so don't be afraid to explore and push the boundaries of your photography. Section 5. Taking Flight. Mastering basic and cinematic drone movements. Mastering basic drone movements is essential for capturing smooth, professional-looking footage. These foundational skills are the building blocks for more advanced techniques and will ensure your shots are stable and visually appealing. Start with the fundamentals: ascending and descending vertically, hovering steadily in place, and panning horizontally or vertically. These basic maneuvers help you understand the drone's controls and how it responds to your inputs. Once you're comfortable with these maneuvers, you can explore more dynamic shots. These include combining basic movements to create more complex and engaging footage. The reveal shot involves slowly ascending while tilting the camera down to gradually unveil the property and its surroundings. This technique is perfect for showcasing large areas and providing context to your shots. This creates a sense of awe and grandeur, captivating viewers as the full scope of the property is revealed. The reveal shot is particularly effective in real estate videos, travel vlogs, and nature documentaries. For a more cinematic feel, experiment with orbit shots, where the drone circles the property, providing a 360-degree view of its exterior and grounds. This technique adds a dynamic and professional touch to your footage. Another engaging technique is the fly-through, where the drone smoothly navigates through tight spaces, such as archways or between trees, creating a dynamic and immersive experience. This maneuver requires precise control and a good understanding of your drone's capabilities. Remember to maintain a safe distance from obstacles and people, and always prioritize smooth, controlled movements over flashy maneuvers. Safety should always be your top priority when flying a drone, ensuring that you capture stunning footage without risking damage or injury. Before taking off, always perform a pre-flight checklist. Check the weather conditions, ensure your battery levels are sufficient, and verify that your drone's firmware is up to date. These steps will help you avoid potential issues during your flight. Planning your flight path in advance can also make a significant difference. Set waypoints on a map to guide your drone and ensure you capture all the shots you need. This preparation will help you make the most of your flight time and achieve the best results. After your flight, review your footage to see what worked well and what could be improved. Make adjustments to your camera settings and flight techniques based on your observations. Continuous learning and practice are key to mastering drone movements and capturing breathtaking footage. Section 6. Safety first. Navigating regulations and ensuring responsible drone use. While drone photography offers incredible creative possibilities, it's crucial to prioritize safety and adhere to all regulations. Before flying your drone, familiarize yourself with local drone laws and regulations, as they vary widely depending on your location. Obtain any necessary permits or licenses, and always fly within designated areas. Respect privacy and avoid flying over private property without permission. Maintain a safe distance from people, animals, and structures, and be mindful of your surroundings at all times. Prioritize the safety of others by flying responsibly and avoiding reckless maneuvers. Regularly check your drone's battery life, and always have a spotter present to assist with situational awareness. By following these guidelines, you can enjoy the benefits of drone photography while ensuring the safety of yourself and those around you.